Hi everyone! I'm excited to announce that we will have a webinar with you on the 16th of December, 6:30 p.m. Kyiv time. This webinar is specially prepared for all students who are preparing for exams now and especially for students who are preparing for ZNO. The topic of the webinar is modal verbs. We will speak with you about all modal verbs and their usage in a sentence. We will learn with you all their forms and structures, unique cases and exceptions. We will do with you extremely interesting exercises, learn with you how to make deduction and speculation with the help of the modal verbs in the present and in the past. It will be exceptionally interesting. Don't miss it. You will get practical skills that will help you to pass your ZNO with flying colors. It's gonna happen on 16th of December at 6:30 p.m. Bye!